Hello guys, here I'm going to work on my group assignment with my team members Zahir and Yahya and myself Najwan. Let's get straight to the discussion. We have arrived at the lab, so ignore the shortness and focus on preparing the routers. We have router 1 and router 2 along with two laptops. Connect the Ether cable from Ether 1 on router 1 to Ether 1 and router 2. Then connect Ether 2 to laptop 1 and Ether 3 to laptop 2. Next, uh, take laptop 1 and connect it to Ether 2. Open Winbox and you will see the interface. Simply connect and configure router 1 as the IP DHCP server and connect router 2 to the internet. We'll set the parameters in router 1 server WLAN IP address, IP DHCP server, ERP, and firewall. We'll configure these 5 settings and the open Winbox. Go to the interface menu and add a VLAN. Name it VLAN 10 and set the VLAN ID to 10. Since Ether 1 is connected directly to router 2, we'll use Ether 1, but I'm using Ether 2 here, so I'll connect it to Ether 2. Now let's apply the setting and add another VLAN 20, name it VLAN 20 and set the VLAN ID to 20. Use the same interface and then go to the IP menu address. IP addresses and click the add new button, which is the blue button, and select the interface. Then fill interface VLAN 10 and IP address 192.168.10.0/24. Apply. Okay. Then add another interface for VLAN 20 with IP address 192.168.20.0/24. Apply. Okay. Now go to the addresses list and then click on IP, then DHCP server. Click on this and go to DHCP setup. Don't click the plus button. Click on DHCP setup and select VLAN 10. I select VLAN 2 at 10. I set the IP address first to avoid error when setting up the DHCP server. Fill in the DHCP setting for VLAN 10 and click next until you see setup completed successfully. Click OK, then click again to set up VLAN 20 and Click until you see the same message. Okay, we're done here. Next, you can set the IP firewall by clicking on NAT and adding the out interface. Here you should use VLAN 1, but I'm using Ether 1 for simulation purposes. So I will use VLAN 1 and Ether 1 if you're using VLAN 1 as the out interface. Then proceed. Change the action. Action to masquerade. Apply OK, and OK the setting for router 1 are now complete, but it didn't work, or it failed. Okay, just a minute. You can know. Okay, you can know project to router 2. Before that, go to the tools menu. Since we'll already set up router 1, now we'll move on the router 2. You can access router 2 using either laptop 1 or laptop 2. Open Winbox for router 2 and change the name is the system. Okay, wait. Wait guys. You your open Winbox router 2. Okay, open Winbox router 2 guys, not router 1. Okay, change the name in the system menu. Identity section. Name it SW this IDN. Apply. Okay. Next, go to the bridge menu, click the plus button and make sure VLAN filtering is enabled. Apply OK. Then go to the port menu, add a new port. Here select Ether 1 and bridge 1 and make sure VLAN is set to VLAN 1. Okay. Ether 1 and bridge 1. Apply OK. Add another port by selecting Ether 2 VLAN PVID 10. Nah, and VLAN ID for 10 for laptop 1. Apply. Nah, apply. Okay, then and you should now be connected. uh, okay, wait, apply. Okay, nah, you can check the connecting in the control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center, or you can also check using the CMD prompt. Okay, open. Nah, by tapping ipconfig and pressing enter. If you don't see the IP address, okay, here IP address. If you don't see the IP address, try disabling the Wi-Fi, exiting, and then reopening the CMD from type ipconfig again, and you should see the IP address. Now you can access the internet through router 2. Okay, we have successfully completed the task. Thank you for your attention, and please let us know if there are my errors. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, see you guys.